This house is located in a gated community in Envigado. It's very exclusive and it's very rare to find a house in Medellin or the surrounding area just because it's so dense that most properties here are in buildings. So this is a special one. This is a kind of like a townhouse, what I would call a townhouse. It reminds me of Southern California townhouses. Really nice. As we open the door, the first thing I notice are the stairs on the left. And as we pan over to the living room area here, there's also a patio in the back, which we're going to take a look at here in a minute. I'm going to pan over here to the left to see the first bathroom, which is the shared bathroom for this first floor, which is right there. It's a half bath. This is a 5-bedroom, 3.5-bath apartment. That was the half bath. This is the sorry, it's not an apartment, it's a house. This is the dining room area here, and a lot of space. You've got a 6-seater there, and this is the kitchen, a pretty big kitchen. Again, I get excited about these because this is a house, and we don't get many houses here in Medellin just because most of the properties are in apartment buildings due to the density of the urban area. So having a place like this that has a lot of space, it's older, but the great thing about that is that you can remodel a lot of this stuff and take down a lot of the walls because it's what we call traditional construction. You don't have to go through approvals, etc. There's different requirements for older buildings like this, or they're more lax. So that I would just knock down all those walls and make it one big area down there. But this is the patio. This is a really nice area. This is probably my favorite part of the whole house here is this big patio area. They have exercise machines back there, but you could do a lot with this. You could put a jacuzzi back here if you like to plant and garden. You have a lot of space for that as well. Could just be a lounge area. Really nice. And again, this one's in Envigado. This one is 180 square meters, which is about 1,937 square feet. It is 2 floors. We saw the stairs, so we're going up the stairs here. It's got a security guard because it is a gated community here. It also has its own parking space and obviously a lot of storage. This is the 2nd floor here. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to the room that they're using as an office, but this could be a room on its own. But this is being used as an office, which is nice. Could be a bedroom without a bathroom. The other bedrooms do have in-suite bathrooms, but I like the fact that they used it as an office. I love the high ceilings. It makes the house, I keep trying to say apartment, but it's a house, look bigger than it really is. This is the master bedroom. That was a queen size bed, but I think you can easily fit a king size bed in there. We're overlooking this patio area here. And that is the walk-in closet on the left and then the master bathroom. Again, you can knock down these walls and make it one big walk-in closet slash bathroom, which would be really nice. Okay, we're going to walk across the hall to the other bedrooms. This first bedroom right here, both of them have this deck, which is really nice, that overlooks the rest of the complex over there. And this was a double bed. You could easily fit a queen size bed. That's a great thing about these older houses is that they just have so much space. This is the in-suite bathroom there for this bedroom. And you could remodel all of this, but to be honest, if you wanted to move in, you could. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just a little outdated on the design, but you could maybe remodel it in sections or just go ahead and tear it all up. This is the other bedroom. This one's slightly bigger. Again, you can easily fit a queen size bed in here. That was a double bed there. For context, this is the closet area, and then this is the bathroom here. Again, I think this one was remodeled recently because the floor is a little different here on this one, but it looks, again, it's ready to be used now and move-in ready. It has a pool in this complex. There's a security guard. If you want to make an offer on this house or you want us to find you something similar, make sure to click the link in the description. It'll take you to our form, fill it out, and somebody on our team will get back to you.